Last week, I tested my MN300 at Pasig Rainforest RC Park and noticed that it still struggled on some technical climbs. Instead of adding more power, I decided to improve the weight distribution. First, I trimmed the interior to reduce unnecessary weight from the upper part of the body and lower the center of gravity. Then I installed wheel weights to add more weight where it matters most, helping the front tires stay planted and improve traction on the rocks. Now it's time to put these upgrades to the test and see if they actually make a difference on the trail. All right, enough talking. Let's hit the trail. The upgrades definitely helped, but they didn't completely solve the problem. The MN300 feels more stable and predictable, but on steep and technical obstacles, grip is still its biggest challenge. The search for the perfect setup continues.